What the hell was it for?
I bought some local TV airtime, Lois, and I did a public service announcement of vital importance. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today. 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word.
My God, is it possible?
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.
Check it again!
Ryan,
Yeah?
I don't feel so good.
We have got to get that record and destroy it. Just like that fat person's surgery destroyed Star Jones's arms.
And everybody knows that the bird is the word. Who did it?